How to make money on Pinterest without a vlog. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. On this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can make money on Pinterest without a blog. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to make money on Pinterest without a blog, what you can do is you can make money by leveraging affiliate marketing, selling digital products, offering Pinterest management services, or driving traffic to other monetizable platforms like YouTube or TikTok. So here is a breakdown. You can promote products, the affiliate marketing, and then earn commissions. You don't need a website or blog to participate in Pinterest affiliate marketing. Simply link directly to affiliate offers within your pins. To do so, you can create a Pinterest business account. Simply searching for Pinterest for business and here create account option, tap on it and create account, and go through there and view for the link to affiliate with others, the offers. You can also sell digital products. You can create and sell link to sales page, and you can also sell digital products on platforms like Etsy and promote them on Pinterest. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.